Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Crawford County, Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 13 miles west of Cambridge Springs and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Cambridge Springs. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Crawford County, Pennsylvania. Urgent weather message.